3 altcoins to $1 million in 2025. What's up, y'all? It's Crypto Tro, and today, man, we're going to talk about how 2025 will be a big year for cryptocurrencies. We see everything that's occurring in the markets. We've seen how cryptos really pretty much double up every single cycle, and today I'm going to give you 3 coins that can help you reach that $1 million goal in the next bull market. But before we get too deep into it, I gotta let you know I'm not a financial advisor, so always consult, or better yet, do your own research when it comes to crypto, because this is a new asset class and nobody truly knows what crypto is going to do. But we do know crypto continues to double each and every cycle. So let's get straight into it, man. Enough of that. Gotta let you know how this cycle will be very huge for everybody who is invested in the crypto space as of today. Now, first, we're going to start off today's video looking at the overall crypto market cap, and this is why I believe this cycle will be super huge, just because we know every 4 years after the Bitcoin halving, the market cap for the entire crypto space absolutely shoots up, man. So we can see in 2019, we know that the Bitcoin halving happened in 2020. So in 2020, around, I would say the Bitcoin halving happened around April or May, whenever the case might be. It was $185 billion market cap for the crypto space. And we seen at the peak in 2021, a year after the Bitcoin halving, the market cap for the entire crypto space was about $2.8 trillion. Now, the past 2 years were absolutely defeating for the crypto space. A lot of people left it. A lot of people bought those tops and thought crypto was going to keep going up forever, and they absolutely got liquidated. They absolutely got crushed in the markets. So in the later half of 2021 going into 2022, we saw the market cap for crypto drop from $2.8 trillion all the way down back to the billion. So in the last half of 2022, in December, we saw the market cap for the entire crypto space was at $846 billion, and it even got lower than that. It even went to $795 billion. Now we are back in the trillions, and we've been trending up. So in 2024, we are at, pretty much that 2.5 or $2.3 trillion, but still haven't topped 2021 when we once were at 2.8 trillion. So we still have so much more room to grow. Like I said, usually after a year after the Bitcoin halving, a year and some change actually, that's when we see the markets top for the crypto space. And we still got about 500 days before a year and a couple of months after the Bitcoin halving. So a lot of bullish things going on. If history repeats itself, we still have so much more time to accumulate, and that's why today, man, I'm going to give you 3 coins that you need in your portfolio to possibly hit that $1 million in this next bull market. So the first one, I gotta go with Crow coin, Chronos. I love Crow coin. A lot of people might say, Tro, you always talking about Crow, because I do believe in the longevity of Crow just because of everything that they're doing. They have a long type of mindset, a long investing mindset when it comes behind Crow. Now we know Crow is pretty much Crypto.com. They rebranded it to Chronos, but Crypto.com is always what I'm used to before the rebrand. And like I said, Chronos is really doing some tremendous things on both sides of the spectrum. We know crypto is about centralized or decentralized entities, but Chronos has the centralized side when it comes to Crypto.com. Now, Crypto.com, I do believe, will be a top exchange in this bull market due to everything that they're doing. They're bringing marketing like never before. Marketing is very, very big. A lot of people like to stay away from marketing in the crypto space, but I believe that is crazy, because you want to get your project out there. You want to show, hey, this is what we're doing. This is how we're making the space better, and this is how we're going to build for future utility for that specific coin. Now, Crypto.com, you've seen it at, recently they renamed the Stables Arena Crypto.com about a couple of years ago. That's where we saw that big surge in price for Chronos. We also see Crypto.com in the forefront when it comes to MMA, another popular sport. They're also connected to the Philadelphia 76ers. There's one of the sponsors. And when you look at a lot of these big news broadcasters and channels, when they're talking about crypto, they usually say that segment is sponsored by who? Crypto.com. And not only that, guys, we see if you watch a YouTube video about crypto, usually you're going to see a crypto.com ad before you get into the video. So crypto.com is spending a lot of money on marketing, and I do believe that's very, very big. But I know you're like, Tro, what does that have to do with the Crow coin? Well, when you buy or use the crypto.com app, they also have incentives when you hold Crow. So the more Crow you hold, the better incentives you get. So you get trading rebates, you get higher referral limits, you get other things that make the trading experience even better because you're holding Crow, and that's super, super big. And also on the decentralized side of things, Crow is growing as a blockchain. They're adding meme coins. They're pretty much promoting a lot of projects on their blockchain right now, and it's super, super big. And with a market cap of 2.4 billion, we know it has a lot of more room to grow, especially if it wants to grow as a bigger exchange. Now, I do believe Crow and Crypto.com is doing a very good job because they are getting the necessary licenses to do business across the world, and that is huge when we get into the full-on bull market. Like right now, we are down. The market space for the entire crypto asset class is pretty much trending down as of right now, but I do believe 2025 will be a huge year for the crypto space. It's only $6.4 million in volume, so not a lot of volume pump. But if we zoom out, man, we see all-time highs were at 89 cents. I do believe Crow has enough strength in it to hit that dollar mark in this upcoming bull market. So if you dollar cost averaging right now and getting in at less than 10 cents, you are absolutely winning, my friend. So we just dollar cost averaging on Crow is looking very good. A lot of things going on. They're doing marketing. They're doing everything necessary operate around the world, and that's going to be big once we hit that full-on bull market. Now, my second one, AVAX, Avalanche, the blockchain. Avalanche is really a sleeper right now. A lot of people can try to compare it to other L1s, and I was just telling one of my guys this the other day, man. AVAX stands out from other L1s because they aren't competing with the traditional layer 1. Now, some people say, well, Tro, Solana was a better trade. Yes, as of right now, Solana was a better trade during these previous cycles or during this cycle particular. I like AVAX because they are pretty much trying to get a different demographic. Now, we love to be degenerates. We love when retailers trade on the blockchain, of course. But AVAX is really trying to attract these institutions that have trillions of dollars that's not on the blockchain right now. It was a statement from Bank of America recently. It was a couple of months ago, maybe a year ago now. But they were saying how much money that was floating around that's not currently on blockchain technology. And AVAX is planning to do that with real world assets. Now, they still love retail investors because they give us a degenerate side as well with meme coins. They did a meme coin rush. A lot of people liked it. A lot of people didn't. But they are doing some very big things when it comes to bringing traditional finance onto the blockchain, and that's going to be very big because I do believe in the future we will verify everything through blockchain technology. And with that being said, if we have banks that pretty much partner with AVAX or big institutions that partner with AVAX, that's going to bring so much more liquidity onto the blockchain. And also they have subnets where people can come in and build their own subnet under the AVAX blockchain, pretty much giving them their own blockchain, and they can create their own rules and give certain gas fees and things like that. So that's something very, very big moving forward in the future. That's why I'm bullish on AVAX. At a $10 billion market cap, is ranked 13. I do believe it can absolutely get possibly into that top 10 once we see, real world assets onboarded onto the blockchain. Now, this might not happen as soon as we would like, but this will happen in the future. And AVAX is really one of those long-term projects you plan on holding. Now, it's $500 million in volume, and that's up 125%. And if we zoom out, I love to zoom out, Because if we can zoom out, man, we see AVAX is up 400% since the inception. It started off at $5 and it went up to $130, $123. So much more room to grow, especially it's not past all-time highs yet, and that's what I be looking for. It's super undervalued in my personal opinion, and that's how these crypto projects do. They tank after they hit all-time highs, especially if it's at the end of a cycle. And we can see it hit all-time highs pretty much at the end of the cycle, the previous cycle in 2021. But 2025 will be big, and you actually could have made some gains if you were getting in at that, under $10 mark for AVAX. And that was a very good price to get in. Now we're at $25 and so much more room to grow. And that's why I'm bullish on AVAX. And last but not least, COC-NU. I know a lot of people saying COC-NU, that's a meme coin. Yes, the meme coin on AVAX. And I'm going to say this meme coin will hit $1 billion in the full-on bull market. Right now, it's at $100 million market cap. Previously, it hit all-time highs in March. That's when everything was going up in the crypto space. But it has been going down as of lately these past couple of months. But that's a beautiful thing because that gives us a new opportunity to dollar cost average into this project before it hits that $1 billion mark. Now, it's ranked 370 out of all the cryptocurrencies. But I do believe AVAX can be one of the top meme coins that's very underslept in the crypto space, and they're doing a lot of things. They're bringing utility into the meme coin sector. A lot of people don't like utility, but me personally, I think that creates less sale pressure. And also it has a very big community, and we love the communities that hold the bags because those are the people are going to keep those prices at the point where they are. Even though some people are going to take profits, if the community is good in the meme coin, then you want to stick with that meme coin because you have to be crazy in order to continue to hold something that drops 80%, guys. And that is what the COC-NU community is doing, and that's super big going into this full-on bull market in 2025. Now, that's my video, 3 coins to $1 million in 2024. Make sure you hit that like button and hit that subscribe button, and make sure you tune in to some of my next videos. I will continue to drop all these videos as fast as I can because now is probably one of the best times to start dollar cost averaging in the crypto space. So, Crypto Tro, I'm out of here.